Anders is 4 months old in 2 days, and he can kick with his feet his toys. He's lying under his little toy with Abby watching closely. We'll see if he'll kick some more with his feet. There goes Miss Ab with the kisses. Abby, let's see if he can kick some more with his feet. Anders. Abby, be careful when you swing those.